So as you can see there in the figure, the petal and the sepal, right? Sepal are leaf like, which are at the base, and petals, they are brightly colored. Okay, and the main role of petal is to attract insects and birds. Now why do they need to attract insect and bird? They need to attract insect and birds for pollination. We'll see what is pollination. Okay, then next part is the stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive organ. Each stamen consists of two parts: stalk, which is a filament, and a sac-like tip, the anther. Okay, if you can see in the figure here, can you see the filament there? And the tip is called the anther. So filament, which is a stalk, and the sac-like tip, the anther. Filament holds anther up. Okay, it holds the anther up, and anther is sac-like. And what does it contain? It contains pollen grains in it. So this is stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive organ. It consists of filament, which is also called as stalk, and it holds, this filament holds anther up. Anther is sac-like structure which contains pollen grains. Then pistil, the fourth part of the plant is pistil, is the female reproductive organ. Okay, stamen was the male reproductive organ. Pistil is the female reproductive organ. It has three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Okay, now what is the role of stigma? Stigma is the sticky tip of pistil. It receives the pollen. I told you anther contains pollen grains. Now these pollen grains are received by the stigma. Okay, see, I'll show you in the figure here. Can you see the stigma there, right up? Okay, so this is the sticky part of the female reproductive organ, and it receives the pollen. Then style is a long tube which connects stigma and ovary. Ovary you'll find at the base, which is a bulb-like structure which contains ovules. Ovules are what? They are the female eggs. Okay, so these pollen grains and female eggs have to fuse among themselves, okay, to produce or to reproduce. So this is ovary, which you'll find at the base. It's a bulb-like structure containing ovules which are female eggs. Look in the figure here. Can you see the stigma there? Then the ovary, okay, and the style, it connects the, it's the long tube that connects the stigma and the ovary.